Withdrawing money from Kraken to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Access your Kraken account by entering your username and password. Ensure you have completed any necessary two-factor authentication for security. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, locate the funding tab in the main menu. Click on it to access your deposit and withdrawal options. Step 3. Select withdraw. In the funding section, find and click on the withdraw option. This will take you to a page where you can choose the currency you wish to withdraw. Step 4. Choose your bank account. Select your preferred currency and then choose the bank account you want to withdraw to. If you haven't added a bank account yet, you will need to do so by following the prompts to enter your bank details. Step 5. Enter withdrawal amount and confirm. Input the amount you wish to withdraw and review the details. Once everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal request. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the transaction. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to arrive, which may take a few business days.